Let's get it, man. It's BigCEO BJ back at it again. So today, I'm gonna be knocking him down with a 1.5 first, but eventually I'm gonna go all the way down with the 1. I'm gonna break his hair down piece by piece because we didn't decide with what length he wants to go with that first. So you see, it's been a minute for him. So I'm getting him all the way back situated. I already had shampooed and conditioned his hair. Now I'm using my Dyson blow dryer to go ahead and make sure my surface is clean and dry. I have a blank canvas, so I'm using my fingers to go ahead and make sure everything is smooth without using my comb for right now. I don't want his scalp to flake or anything like that, so I'm just going with the method using my hand and blow drying it. So you're gonna see where I left his hair kind of fizzy at first, and then eventually all the way at the end I cut it all the way down to a 1. So we just did piece by piece like that. He's gonna go with the high taper today, no C-cup. So I start off by picking everything out, lifting the hair off the scalp, so the clippers will just run through the hair, no problem. Y'all better get with it, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj, at bjs.cuts with 2 Z's. Let's get it, man. I started off with 70 subscribers. Now I'm at 142, I believe. So I appreciate all the new subscribers and the clients coming through, all that good stuff. So start off by combing everything, getting everything situated. So I'm going with the grain with I think I started off with a 2 actually, because we were just slowly breaking down piece by piece. So, but like I said, eventually I'm gonna go all the way down to a 1. See how light he is in the back right there, just how his hair grows. So I'm using my wall magic clips today. See, we trying to get the length piece by piece. So let's go. I'm just knocking everything down piece by piece. Y'all better get with the program, man. I know a lot of y'all been commenting saying y'all like the content, all of that good stuff. So y'all better take this free game, man. Start with the lever all the way open. I'm flicking out, as you see. He like his face pretty high too, so I already went open. Now I'm going halfway. And then now I'm using my 1 guard. Closed, opened it midway. And I'm going with the grain, kind of smoothing everything down. But like I said, eventually I'm gonna be going all the way down to a 1. And it's gonna make everything look 10 times better, because you're gonna see like how it looks like as I go. But after a while, I was like, man, I'm just go ahead and make everything lower. And that length was pretty good. So I'm going around the ear trying to smooth everything out. Just fading everything. And no, I didn't fade that high. Y'all just see how light his hair is over there by his occipital bone. So that's why I'm staying below that area. Use my Barber's trimmers. Y'all go ahead and sponsor me, man. I will turn y'all brand up. So that's what I'm saying as far as like the hair up front, the length. So eventually all that's gonna be smooth, because he wants to kind of like play it safe at first, and then if at the end he just want to knock it down even more. which is what I recommend off rip. But it is what it is. Went ahead and set my first guideline with the trimmers this time. Now I'm going with the clippers using the one. No, I'm actually using lever open. Then I'm going to go halfway. Then I'm going to use the one closed. Then the 1.5. Because you see how it's like light spots around his head. So that's why I wanted to go with the one off rip. But we're just playing it safe. Because at first you'll be like, damn, like you don't know how he want to train his hair, but it's just how his scalp is. It's light in certain areas. That's why he wants to play it safe, because it's certain limbs, that will show your scalp or whatnot. So, but watch how this outcome be. Look at the beard. Using the lever all the way open, going with the grain for the mustache. At first, when I first started, I used to be scared to do that. Cleaning everything up. Piece by piece. See how I'm still using my pinky right there to have the stability while I'm using my trimmers. Yes, sir. Went ahead, got his face out the way so I can go back to blending. So look how I do this side. Because like you see, the length he chose is cool, but it'll be way better if it's just laid down. He tends to woof a lot too, but I had to get this on camera because watch how this outcome gonna be. See how I'm blending it piece by piece, same technique I use. So you see I'm starting to go down more and more. Now I'm starting to take it down, as you see. See how it's laying down way better. Then I'm gonna go over it again. Which is what I wanted to do off rip, but takes time. That's why you gotta trust the process and know what you're doing. Make sure everything's even, as you see. Going over it multiple times. Look how it lay down. That's what I'm talking about. About to perform my facial. He got a premium service, so I offer basic services and also premium. Whoever can guess how much I charge can get a free haircut. But you have to be subscribed. You can't be a client. I'm checking the temperature on the hot towel. Using massager. Let's go, man. Y'all got to get with the program, man. Got no time to play with y'all barbers that's half-stepping out here. Like I said, I dare any of y'all fake YouTube barbers to challenge me or try to call my bluff or try to do anything. I'm ready, been ready. Again, like I said, I made YouTube just to show y'all how a real barber is supposed to be. I don't do all no corny edits, nothing like that. I get straight to it, just like this. And this is how all my videos gonna be. I'd rather stand out, be different. Call it basic, don't care. Cause guess what? I'm not just a barber. I own 5 companies, so like I said, get with the program. Pick up a paintbrush, pick up a camera, get to breathing, however you want to do it. Show me how to hand paint a hoodie or something. Like I said, back to this. See, I'm starting off in the middle, going piece by piece, using my 3 fingers right there for the stability, just in case he move or anything like that. Lining him up natural first, sauce him up with the enhancements afterwards. Tilting my trimmer. It looked 10 times better, as you see when I lay it down like that. Y'all see those trimmers are hitting too, and they're modified. Going with the enhancements that I made with my Tune 45 wireless enhancement gun. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, bro. Stop playing. Now I'm going back over with the fibers. Keep it looking more natural. Just like that, man. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe if you like the content. I told y'all this was going to look crazy. I'm so glad that he decided to go with that one, though. Because it kind of like pulls away from his light spots on that side and stuff, as you see. See, that side is cool. But so what? Flowers and all, man. I'm going to sauce you up. Yes, sir. Got to put a hot sauce on them. Get with the program, like I said, man. BigCEO, BJ's Cuts with 2 Z's. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go.